All right, it's day number 11, easy for me to say, of the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar from 2022. Let's go ahead and move on. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and do this here together. It's a little trickier than some of the other ones, but we'll figure this thing out together here. So it looks like this goes like this. Like this. We need, looks like these guys here. This is going to go like this. This is going to go like this. And we'll do the same thing on the other side, I'd imagine. All right. And it looks like this. Goes like this. And then we've got this guy. Apparently that holds off the edge there. That. Kind of goes like that. This is going to go like this. I'm going to put this like this. And then this is going to go in like this. And then that's going to go like that. And then we've got one more of those guys like this. And that is going to go like that. And then we've got our cruiser. Boop. All right. So that was day number 11 there. As you can see, we're making our way through. We're almost halfway done now with the Advent calendar. If you have any questions, ask down below. Let's go ahead and move on to the next day.